Hi everyone, welcome to week 10. So this week we're going to learn something about the online games and gaming. And also this is the last week for the child teen interview assignment. So if you have not finished it yet, so please finish it as soon as possible. So next Tuesday is the final deadline for the child and teen interview assignment. So I'm going to show you the week 10 page. So in this week we have 7 tasks in total. We have two case studies and also a reading assignment, and also you need to use Flipgrid to share a reflection. And so in the task 2, this is a brief introduction of this week's topic. So online gaming is one of the hardest topic in this digital world. So some of you may be very interested at this topic. So in the reading assignment, I provided 2 articles to talk about the effect of the online gaming. So please read them very carefully. And also there are 2 case studies. The first one is Minecraft, and the second one is Fortnite. So I provided some videos and reading articles. So to talk about the effect of this online games and how could it be used in the classroom. So these are very interesting articles and a very interesting videos. So please watch and read them very carefully. I think you will learn a lot about how to use online gaming as one of the tools in this digital world. So after learning all of the things, you need to use the Flipgrid to share your reflection. So there are some guiding questions you could use to share your thoughts. So the limit time of the Flipgrid is 3 minutes. So please share your reflection in 3 minutes. So the last thing for this week is the child teen interview assignment submission. So this is the link to submit the paper. So the deadline is next Tuesday. So please finish them as soon as possible if you have not started yet. So that's all for this week. If you have any question, please send them to me. I will be very glad to help. So that's all for this week. See you next Wednesday. Bye.